Welcome to this beginner's course of Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is an editing program used by many professional video editors, but the program can be a little bit intimidating if you're trying to learn by yourself. And that's where this course comes in. Over the next hour we're going to be learning Premiere Pro from the ground up together. The goal of this course is to get you to a place where you feel comfortable making a video from start to finish, all by yourself. In this course we will teach you how the interface works, how to import videos and how to make a simple edit with them. After that, we will go a little bit more into intermediate editing. We are going to work with titles and graphics, we will be working with the audio and we are going to focus on color correcting our video. Of course we can't forget about the exporting of our video. This sounds like a lot but don't worry, I will be here to help you. Let's dive in together and learn how to use Adobe Premiere Pro.